When should we use would in English sentences? Well, would is a modal verb that has several important uses. Let's discuss a few situations in which we should use would. Firstly, we use would to talk about hypothetical or unreal situations in the present or future. For example, if we want to speculate about something that is unlikely to happen, we can say, I would travel to the moon if I had the chance. Here, would indicates a hypothetical possibility. Secondly, would is used to make polite requests or offers instead of using the more direct will or can. For instance, instead of saying, will you pass the salt, please? We can say, would you mind passing the salt, please? This softens the request and shows politeness. Thirdly, we use would to talk about repeated actions in the past. When we want to describe something that happened regularly or habitually, we can use would. For instance, when I was a child, I would visit my grandparents every summer. Here, would indicates a recurrent action in the past. Lastly, would can also be used in conditional sentences to express imagined or unreal circumstances. For example, we can say, if I won the lottery, I would buy a big house. This indicates a situation that is unlikely to happen. So remember, would is used for hypothetical situations, for making polite requests or offers, for describing repeated actions in the past, and for conditional sentences. By understanding these uses, you can confidently use would in your English sentences.